Today we will discuss describing words from the chapter Nina and the Baby Sparrow. I am Seema Shah from Kendriya Vidyalaya Khanapara. The definition of describing word or adjective: words that describe the quality of the person, place, animal or thing are called adjectives. So here I am telling you about the quality of the person. Quality in the sense the person can be smart, he can be intelligent, the person can be beautiful, the person can be tall, can be short, it can be fat, can be thin. All these words will come under the quality of the person. Similarly for places, the place may be big, it may be small, the colors, it may have different colors. Then similarly for animals, it can be again big in size like an big elephant or a small mouse. Okay. Then green parrot, all these will come under the category of animals. Then again things, for example, there's a ball, it is round in shape, so round word is, again it tells us that the color of the ball is the shape of the ball is round, so it is adjective. Now for your level, you just have to remember that the words for quality, colors, number, size and shape are also adjectives. So one by one we will look at the examples. Rahul is a smart boy. Okay, so it tells you about the quality, that how is Rahul? He is very smart. Therefore, the word smart is adjective. Similarly, Sita is an intelligent girl. So how is Sita? It tells you that she is intelligent. So the word intelligent is describing word. Fat woman. So it tells you about the quality of the woman, that the woman is fat. Therefore, the term fat is describing word. Come to colors. So what is the color of the parrot? Yes, it is green in color. Therefore, the word green is describing word. Similarly, it can be a red rose, a blue sky. So how is the sky? It is blue in color. Therefore, the describing word will be blue. Okay. The yellow sun. So what is the color of the sun? It is yellow. Therefore, yellow is the describing word. Adjectives also include size. It can be big, it can be small, it can be large. So a big hall. Therefore, what is the size of the hall? It is big. Therefore, big is the adjective. I told you about the shape. Okay, the shape. This is a round ball. Okay, so what is the shape of the ball? The shape of the ball is round. Therefore, the word round is describing word. So it can be of any shape, for example, say rectangle, triangle, all these are describing words. Then numbers. Adjective also includes number. 1 hen and 3 chicks. So if you look at the picture, children, there is 1 hen. So the term 1, and since there are 3 chicks, therefore the number 3. Both of them are adjectives. So the numbers, all the numbers will come under adjective. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8, and so on. Beautiful girl. So the word beautiful describes the look of the girl. Okay, how is she looking? She is looking very beautiful. So the term beautiful is describing word. Salty here describes the taste of the chips. Okay, what is the taste of the chips? It is salty. Similarly, say sweet chocolates. So the word sweet, salty, these are all tastes and are describing words. Now the feel of the pillow. The feel of the pillow, the pillow is soft. Therefore, the word soft is describing. Similarly, the feelings also comes under adjectives. For example, a happy boy or a sad girl. So happy, sad, soft, rough, all these are describing words. Loud music. Loud describes the sound of the music. So what is the sound of the music? It is very loud. Okay. Therefore, the terms like loud or soft, these are all describing words. So let us recap once. So an adjective, it includes the quality, I have already told you, smart, intelligent, etc. Then color, red, blue, green, yellow, all the colors. Size, it can be big, it can be small. Shape, it can be round, it can be rectangular, it can be triangular. Then looks, like beautiful, beautiful girl or beautiful peacock. Then numbers, again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. Taste, it can be sweet, it can be sour, it can be salty. Then feels, it can be soft, it can be rough. Then a happy child or a sad child. Then again sounds, it can be loud or it can be very soft. So all these comes under adjectives. Children, I have given you a small homework. This clipping I have taken from the book. Here, what you have to do is write down suitable words describing each picture. So you have to look at the picture and you have to write down. Also, in the help box, you can see their words are there: beautiful, black, red, happy, tall, and fat. So you have to pick up the words from the list given below and fill in the blanks. So the first one, let us discuss. Say if you look at the picture, the lady, she is looking very fat. So the word that comes here will be a fat woman. Similarly, look at the rose, look at its color. Similarly, look at the boy. Okay, and you have to write down, look at the picture of a peacock. Similarly, blackboard and the man. Okay, so you look at the picture properly and try to do the work. Once you complete the work, please submit it to your respective subject teachers. Children, I hope you have understood what are describing words, and I have given you many examples, but if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you.